Hello students, how are you? I am Sapna from Sapna Master IELTS. This video is basically for the students who have asked me, जिन्होंने मेरे से specially बोला है कि they have a doubt in speaking. In speaking, हम कुछ mistakes करते हैं जिसकी वजह से we cannot move above 5.5. What are those mistakes which you should not do while your IELTS English speaking test? Right? So if you make these kind of mistakes in your test, definitely you will not move above 5.5 or 6 band. पहली speaking tip जल्दी से बताती हूँ. What is there? What kind of mistake that you all do? Most of the students basically do. First thing is a silence. Silence is when you do not know the answer, when you don't know what did they ask. So what you do actually is you take a pause, a long pause. आप बहुत long pause ले लेते हो जिसकी वजह से examiner आपके bands जो है वो अगर 6.5 increase हो सकते थे, you will jump back to 5.5. So instead of using a long pause, आपको एक filler use करना चाहिए, एक connector, एक suitable connector. Let me see, I don't think so, or I'm not aware about this, but definitely I would like to speak. So in the back of your mind, consciously, आपने subconsciously अपने mind में सोच लिया कि what you are going to speak next. Then the second thing, जो आप mistake सभी students करते हैं, that is memorizing. Memorizing, rote learning, cram करते हो. Whatever the trainer gives you, जो भी चीज प्रोवाइड होती है, ट्रेनर्स, एक्सपर्ट्स, इवन अगर हम आपको सेंटेंसेस देते हैं, यू जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट दैट द सेम थिंग एंड एग्जामिनर विल कम टू नो दैट यू हैव क्रैम्ड, आपने वो लर्न किया है. सो डोंट जस्ट लर्न, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आपको उसको थोड़ा सा चेंज कीजिए अपनी लैंग्वेज में एंड ट्राई टू यूज इट. राइट, मेमोराइज मत कीजिए, ट्राई टू रीफ्रेज इट. दिस लीड्स टू द थर्ड पॉइंट जो आप मिस्टेक करते हो. थर्ड मिस्टेक जो आप कर रहे हो जो कि सेकंड के साथ लिंक्ड है, दैट इज पैराफ्रेजिंग. जैसे कि मैंने अभी बोला, पैराफ्रेजिंग आप नहीं कर रहे हो. एग्जामिनर ने सेम क्वेश्चन जैसे पुट अप किया, यू आंसर्ड इन द सेम वे. सपोज द क्वेश्चन वाज व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट कलर. So what did you do? You answered in the same manner. My favorite color is. So this is totally wrong. Instead of that, you could have said, I am an ardent lover of, I like this color is my favorite. Change it. Don't use the same sense. Don't repeat the same question. जैसे कि उन्होंने बोला. This was the third thing, third mistake that you are doing. Then also parroting the question. Parrot की जैसे हम अगर रट लेते हैं उस चीज को, as I said, it is linked to the second mistake कि आप cram करते हो, parrot की तरह वही चीज continuously बोलते हो. ठीक है, और एग्जामिनर विल कम टू नो कि आप में कोई ब्रेक नहीं है, means you are not taking pauses like a native speaker. So he will come to know that you have learned each and everything. If you're not taking a pause, you're not taking a full stop in between the sentences, so definitely it will be like you have crammed, you have memorized the thing. Then next would be, अगर आप उनसे पूछ लेते हो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, इट डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस, ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. बट यस, इफ यू डू इट रिपीटेडली, अगर आप बार बार इस चीज को करेंगे तो देन देयर विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम. देन द एग्जामिनर will think that you are unable to understand what he is asking. It means you are not able to understand the basic things, right? He cannot change it. Also, you cannot ask the cue card to be changed because that is not in their hands. So kindly don't do that. Instead of that, try to revolve around the topic. अगर आपको cue card से related whatever the problem you are finding, I made a short video that was on PPF technique. It was on the cue cards. You can go through it. Even in the speaking playlist, you will find the various mind maps are there where you will find how to go ahead with the speaking vocabulary. Coming back, और कौन सी मिस्टेक करते हैं आप? Poor pronunciation. Accent का कोई लेना देना नहीं है इससे, whether you are from this side, whether you are from US, whether you are from Canada or you are from Punjab, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It is just purely about the pronunciation of the words, whatever you are speaking in front of the examiner. I hope मेरी language आपको clear हो रही है, because I am totally using Hindi and this is for the users who can understand, who are basic beginners and they try to jump from 5.5 to 7. So coming back to the pronunciation, अगर आपकी pronunciation जो है 25% जो है that is based on this part. So अगर आप words जो हैं वो अच्छे pronounce नहीं करते हैं, तो yes, definitely it will lessen your bands. आपके bands थोड़े से कम हो सकते हैं. So try to learn the correct pronunciation of the speaking word. Then flat intonation. Intonation क्या है? Suppose I give you one example. I want to go to Canada. अगर ये मैंने simply बोला, so it is a flat sentence. If I say I want to go to Canada, now I am putting stress on few words in between the sentence or either at the sentence beginning of the sentence या फिर sentence के end में. अगर आप उसका rise and fall नहीं देख सकते, intonation नहीं कर सकते हो, the rise and fall of tone कि sentence finish होने वाला है, that we have to come down with the tone, so उसके marks नहीं आएंगे. तो आपके आप mistake ये वाली करोगे. Then if you asking for the examiner's opinion, what do you think? Some students, they have made the silly mistake. They ask the examiner, what do you think about it if I ask you this? So kindly don't do this, right? These are the mistakes which can really deteriorate your bands. So I am trying to sort out this problem. Those who wanted this video, this is for all the students, all the IELTS aspirants. I hope this will really help you, that you will not repeat this. Also, paraphrasing, memorizing, repeating, parroting, cramming, intonation, punctuation, punctuation and pronunciation, I would say that will be better than asking the examiner to change the cue card. These things, these mistakes can definitely lessen your band. So I will really recommend the students that they should learn the art of speaking before taking the IELTS exam. So all the best, guys, and do well for your IELTS exam. Still, if you find any kind of doubt, you can ask me. I'll make a video and upload it for you guys. Next video is coming soon, and be ready for that. Take care.